So we invested in BlackRock Neurotech. It's a great company. They have, I think, the best brain-computer interface technology out there. They have an upcoming version of their brain chip is just out of this world. They made a probably 100x improvement on the chip. They're based in Utah. They're a very lean team, as we like. Very humble, but basically they are the pioneers of this entire industry and technology set. The aim there is to make sure that the technology is pro-humans and remains pro-humans, and will be used by people to improve themselves and also to create an hedge against the takeover of machines versus humans. There is a very possibility. You said it, right? So AI will code itself. AI will improve itself. And if that really happens, which I believe will happen in the next 5 years, there is this thing in technology called genetic algorithms. So it's like you know that, right? So you imagine a genetic algorithm run by an AI that will be able to select the winners and basically modify itself, improve itself like 1 billion times per day or per hour or per minute. Our brain will not be able to comprehend that. So unfortunately, our brain is digital, but the way we express anything in our lives is very much analog, right? Our fingers are analog, typing on a keyboard, or our voice is very analog, right? So the way we communicate has been designed for an analog system rather than a digital system. And so if we want, I think in the next 15 years, the comparison between a fish and a human today is between a human and a machine. And so will be kind of like that. And so we need to be able to make sure that the humans can communicate with the mathematical coprocessor in their brain that they will access to the digital portion of our cells. And we want to do that we want to make sure that doing so, all our thoughts, all our information will remain private. This is the Bitcoin way to do things. We want to make sure that. That's also why local LLMs are very important.